Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending from where you are watching. I actually want to show you how I was able to make 3 trades yesterday and all went well the way I planned it, and I'm going to show you the same strategy that I used to trade so that you can also use it and make a profitable trade. Okay, but I'm not gonna advise you that you are going to have a 100% profitable from this trade, but I'm assure you of 80% of it. Let me say, if you should trade in 7 days, I guarantee you that if you take what I'm going to show you right now, you are only going to miss trade only highest twice in a week, and the rest you are going is going to be a win-win for you. So this is the trade I took yesterday where I draw my stop loss and take profit. You can see here, I don't know why this thing is not really showing big like that. Let me zoom it. You can see it. Let me come back. If I should click on it, you can see my stop loss was, I placed a stop loss of 0.3 and 0.32% stop loss, and you can see my target was 15%, and it's more than 50%. And the name of this coin I use is ENAUSDT. This is the symbol here. So let me take you to another trade that I did, and we are going to do calculation how much I've made since 12 o'clock midnight that I set this trade till now. So let me go and show you another one. Another one that I take was beam. So let's check out. This is the beam X that I took yesterday. As you can see, I'm on profit. I'm actually on profit. So if I want to close this now, I will actually close it. So you can see my stop loss. Let me click on it. You can see my stop loss is about 6.11%. That's huge, sha. Then if you check my profit about 24%. I can either close this trade right now and take my profit, or I will leave it. Let me take you to another one. Another one that I took yesterday night was not coin. Was not coin. Boom! You can see this one has already passed the take profit. So I've already taken profit on this one already. So my percent here is 13%, and my stop loss was 4.3%. So you can actually see it for yourself. So before I jump into some analysis to show you how you can actually do this by yourself, okay, let me first of all take you to Bybit, and let's do all these trade calculation one after the other. So before I take you through the analysis that you should also use to make good profits, let me take you to Bybit. Let's calculate the um profit that I've made so far. So let's start with Notcoin. You can see my stop loss is at 0.00145. So my entry, this is my entry. My entry was 0.0 my entry was 0.01097. So I'm going to screenshot that. Okay, let's go to Bybit. As you can see, I'm on Bybit right now. So you can see the not USDT here. You can see the non USDT here is going down, going down. I'm on my Bybit right now. You can see the entry. I enter into the market at the rate of 0.01097, and my closing price was 0.00947, and the total amount of not I used, which was $50, which gave me 5,590 not coin. So my potential profit right from that time took my trade till when the profit was actually triggered is, you can see it here, 8.385 USDT. Stop playing, guys. 8.385 USDT. If you calculate this right now in our local currency, I think it should be around that kind of 15 to 16,000 naira. So that is the profit I've been able to make from trading not yesterday midnight. Okay, so let's go to another one and see how much we have made. Okay guys, another one here is ENA USDT. That's just a symbol. So if you just type in ENA USDT, you need to see this symbol here, right here, and to confirm it is the right coin. Okay, you can see here the trade has actually triggered it, even going far lower than the take profit. That means that my take profit has been executed before now. So you can see here, let me zoom it for you. You can see the take profit and the price, because you can see my entry here. This black one here is my entry, 0.309, and my take profit was 0.260. So let's go and do that right away and see how much we have been able to make from this trade. So first of all, what we need to do is, let me screenshot it for easy reference. So okay guys, you can see on my Bybit calculator here, I've calculated the entry, which was 0.309, the closing price, which was 0.260, and the amount of ENA actually bought to trade was 161 ENA, which is equivalent to $50. So I've actually calculated my profit right now. You can see I have made about 7.889 USDT, almost close to the previous one I made, which was 8 point something dollars. So you can see that this thing is actually working, man. It's actually working. So I'm going to take you to the last and not the least of the trade I took yesterday, and we are still going to do our calculation right here and see the potential profit we have been able to come out with. So let's go. Oh wow, you can see we are on BeamX. So this is the trade I analyzed yesterday, and the horizontal candle is still here. I didn't take it out. The horizontal line actually is still here. I didn't take it out. So so you can see my that the trade is still going, but my target has not been triggered yet. But see, when it comes to trading, you don't have to be greedy. So I'm going to take profit at this point, because I don't know what will happen to the market. I will make, if not 24%, I will make 20% out of this trade. So you can see targets, you can see it below here. So that is it. So let me screenshot it as well. Okay, let's go and do our calculation and see how much we have made so far. You can see on my screen here, my my entry was 0.01277, my close price was 0.01042, and the quantity of beam was actually 3,900 beam, which is equivalent to $50. I like using $50 to trade, because that is what I can lose. Okay, that's what I can lose. That's why I used it to trade for now. So that's what I can lose. That's what I can lose for now. So that's why I'm using it to trade. Maybe as I'm making profit, as I'm progressing by God grace, I'm going to upgrade from it to another capital. Okay, so but right now I'm using $50 to trade, so you can see my profit. So if you can calculate my those three profit now, the other one was $8, this one's, and the second one 7, and the third one 9. If you could calculate, if you can calculate it right now, you will see that I've made nothing less than 60,000 naira in just some hours. Let me take it that way. In just some hours, I've been able to make 60 something thousand naira. Is this not what you can do? Actually, what you can do. Hmm? As I'm talking to you now, I don't have any mentor. I'm the one doing my stuff by myself. I'm the one trading my stuff by myself. So I'm not actually a forex trader, but I'm a crypto trader. So a lot of people would love to go into forex, but man, I will tell you that I don't I don't really find forex although, but if I want to do it, I would do it. But I really like crypto and I really like crypto, man. So that's why I'm on crypto. My all focus is on crypto. So I'm not gonna waste much of your time. So I'm going to quickly take you to my analysis. I was able to make this profits back to back. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's dive into our trading view. So let me show you guys my strategy I use to analyze the trade and enter into the trade and make money. Okay. So first of all, what you need to put into consideration before even entering into trade is number one, make sure you register on trading view. That is to say you need to go to app store or um play store and download it. If you are using Android phone, you go to Google Play Store and download the trading view. If you are using Apple phone, you go to App Store and download it. So the second one is you need to understand what is resistance and support level. The third one is very very important, baba, on top. You need to be aware of the market structure. Okay, with that market structure, you are not going to make a 90% guarantee of your trade. So I will assure you that market structure is a very prominent thing you need to know before entering into a trade or executing a trade. So what is, first of all, let me enlighten you or break it down to your understanding. Resistance level, you can see the stop. Let me, you can see, let me use okay, I'm coming. Let me use an indicator to show you this. Let me use let me use horizontal line here. This is, okay, this line on top here, this line on top we are seeing here is your resistance level. The line on top is your resistance level. What your resistance level here is the breakthrough here on top you are seeing. So you are saying here this is a breakthrough that the price is doing. Like you can see, the price is lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, like that, like that. So where the lower high is on top here is your resistance level. So then the support level is the one down here, the bottom here, the lower low here is your support level. So if any, so you can see price start from, okay, let me say from the lower low here and move to the lower high. Then the lower high here on top, sorry, this point here you are seeing where price start coming down here is your resistance level. It has moved up a little and from that place it start coming down, that is your resistance level. Then where it move down before it move up again is your support level. So that's what you need to understand when it comes to resistance and support level. Then another thing that you need to take into consideration before entering into a market is market structure. What is market structure? Market structure is the movement of price towards any direction, either high or low. For instance, the market structure of this current coin here is downtrend. You can see, if you look from this top here, you can see everything is going down, going down, going down. So it is on a market, a downtrend structure. So if it was moving, if it was a uptrend movement, it would have been an uptrend structure in the market, right? So but right now the structure of the market is down. So anytime you figure out who is in control, whether the seller or the buyer is in control, you need to know the kind of trade you are going to set. For Like that is what I did yesterday. Actually, first of all, I look at the market structure. It's giving us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's moving towards the down direction. So what you need to do as a trader, you can see yesterday I enter into the trade at this point. At this point you are seeing. So first of all, what I did, I take my candle or my line. I took my horizontal line, I pressed on this place, and that is the resistance level. And now set my stop loss at that point. Before I do that, I actually look at the market. I look at the market for a while, and I saw hey, sorry, I forgot to say this. Another thing you need to put into consideration is your momentum candle. You need to take momentum candle very serious. When I came into the market, I saw a market like this yesterday. At this point you are seeing, so this very point here, I look at the market, I start seeing this big fat red candle coming down. I quickly suggest that it's going to that is where the market is will stop before it goes down. It's not going to go up again because of this big momentum candle I saw there earlier. So immediately I saw that momentum candle, and I took a trade. I now set my stop loss above the a little bit above the resistance level, which is here. Let me take you there again. Sorry, which is at this place. This the resistance level. You can see my stop loss was above it small. So I now set my stop loss. I now come back to where I saw the momentum candle. That is where I set my entry. But before I set my entry, I actually look back at the 15 minutes time frame to see if it's going to give me what I want. I look at the 1 hour time because I use 1 hour time frame to trade. I look at the 1 hour time frame, the price was actually going down, and I now look at the 15 minutes time frame. It's showing me the same thing. That's when I enter into the market, and I draw my stop loss and my take profit and everything, and you can see the trade is moving towards the way I predicted. So that is just it. If you don't understand this actually part this video, drop your comments on the comment section and tell me to take another thread and show you guys. I'm going to do that. I'm going to explain again. I will explain it to your understanding, okay? So but for now, this is what you need to know about it. First of all, look at the market structure. Very important. Know the resistance and the support level. So once you know the market structure, the resistance and the support level is going to be very, very easy for you to spot out. And another thing, look at the confirmation. Use momentum candle. If you have not seen momentum candle, but if you see any three same candle that comes out, like one, maybe for instance you are in a downtrend and you want to spot a trade, like right now, if you see any long fat candle coming down, or maybe you wanted to the market is already down and it make a retrenchment, like it goes up again, it goes up as if it wants to pump, but it's not really pumping. Based on you are on a downtrend, it just giving refreshing up. So what you need to do is you wait for it. After analyzing all this, you wait for it to come down again. Like maybe if you see a momentum candle, you wait for it to come down a little bit before you take an entry. That is a confirmation point to make sure that the trade is valid. You enter into it right there and start taking your profit. You set up your profits, but please apply risk management. It's very, very important when it comes to trading crypto. So if you like this kind of content, please like, and share my video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you're encouraging me to be doing more for you guys. Okay, so I will always come here and drop. This is just the first video I've made about how to trade candles, how to point spot out a trade. So I'm going to be doing this often and often to show you guys till you master it. So if you have any question you want to ask, you can leave it on the comment section. I'm going to reply everybody, I promise. Okay, so bye for now.